Hello everybody, I'm back with a brand new clothing try on haul. Today I'm sharing with you clothing from Lounge and I cannot wait. This is going to be my second try on haul about Lounge and I'm just so excited to share with you everything. I'm going to let you guys know really in depth all of the product details, prices, sizes, all of that. So yeah, I'm really hyped. Let's get straight into it. But first I do want to thank Lounge for sending me all of these pieces. They did send me these pieces complimentary to share in this video. So I want to let you know that. First things first, I got a pair of, let me get the name. I have my MacBook in front of me actually because I'm going to be letting you guys know the exact name of everything that I got. Perfect. So I got the black high-waisted scrunchy joggers. Okay, they are $70 and the size that I got in them are a size small, so you can check it out on the website. They have a whole bunch of sizes. The price is $70 US. So yeah, you guys check them out. They're so cute. They have a really high waist, like scrunchy literally is the perfect name for them because it's like a scrunch at your waist with the fit, and they're also a very thick comfy material, and they have Lounge written all over it around the waistline. And the bag that they came in is actually right here. So it came in this bag and it just says Lounge Apparel on the bag here. Size small, color black. They have a bunch of different pieces on there to choose from, colors, styles, and things like that. Today I also got some of their underwear, which I'm really excited about because they are Lounge underwear. They're known as Lounge and Lounge underwear, so you guys know. And yeah, they have, it says The Lounge, so you can shop their underwear, you can shop apparel, there's intimates, swim, so many collections. I'm just on the site letting you guys know what's up, but definitely take a look at those links below to shop everything. And with that being said, let's get into the next piece. So yeah, you guys, we're moving on to the next one. So here is the packaging that this one came in. It says Comfort Made Sexy on the back, and then it says www.loungeunderwear.com, and here's all of their @, so you guys can follow them and stuff. So at Lounge Underwear, they're at Lounge Intimates, they're also at Lounge Apparel, and at Lounge Swim. So that's all of their handles, so you guys can follow them. It's Lounge Underwear, Lounge Intimates, Lounge Apparel, and Lounge Swim, without saying the @ sign in front of it. But yeah, you guys, and then the front says Lounge. So I'm about to open this up and we're going to take a look at the pieces on the inside. So here we go. This first is the minimal triangle bra, and this is the color navy, size small. Comes in this really cute packaging that just says Lounge on it. Let's open it up and take a closer look. So this color is so pretty. I know that I did get some bottoms to match it, but I mean, look at how adorable Lounge is. I cannot wait to take my Instagram picture in this. Like, I'm so ready to go. Like, I'm probably gonna do the pictures and actually like the try on part footage, filming that like tomorrow. So I might want to do like a navy blue eye look. I feel like that would look really cool. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It just says Lounge on it. It's so cute, and the material is made out of such a great quality. I literally love this so much. Let me let you guys know the price really quickly. So I got the minimal triangle bra and briefs, and that costs $50 US for the bra and the briefs. So here's the bra. Now I'm going to share with you the briefs that it comes with. Here we go. So these are the minimal triangle briefs. I got these in a size small as well. Color is navy, and here's what they look like. So I actually got regular briefs. I did not get any like thongs or anything like that. So yeah, it just says Lounge right here on the front. Super cute and just comfy to wear in your house. And you can even see when you check out those links below the model wearing it to see how it fits on somebody else as well. But yeah, it's a super high quality brief and it's so stylish and cute. I love the logo Lounge right there in the front. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the next pieces. You guys, it's so hot. Let me know how the weather is where you are at, but it is so hot today. So moving on, let's take a look at the next pair of bra and briefs that I got. So here we go. Right here. So let me get all of the exact names for you guys. So I got the triangle briefs. Okay, yeah. So I got the all black triangle bra and briefs, which cost $50 US, and I got them in obviously black. And here is what first the bra looks like. Super cute. Keep in mind that the bras, they don't have any padding. They're just the most comfortable bras ever that are just so wearable. I mean, no wonder the company is named Lounge. Perfect to lounge in. And look at how cute it is. I love it. So it's all black. It has white detailing around the rim of the bra. And then it says lounge, 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 lounge all over. You guys can see it for yourself. And then there are adjustable straps, obviously, for the bra, so it can fit perfectly for you. And yeah, that is the top. Now we're going to take a look at the briefs. So the briefs are right here. I got these in obviously a size small again, but I want to let you guys know because I know sometimes people want to know the sizes because it helps them. So yeah, here's what they look like. They're all black and then just have lounge all around it in white. Be sure to definitely check out those links below to shop all of these pieces. They're super cute and they are just so stylish. Like literally, I love them. I think that Lounge has the cutest pieces on their website. So then I got their navy contour mesh bra and briefs, which are also $50 US. So here's what the briefs look like. So these are high-waisted and they're a comfortable fit for the bottoms. They're not like a thong, but you know, like there's some like a little bit slight cheekiness. And then here's what the front looks like. And then there's just a mesh along the side. And it just says lounge, lounge, lounge. Super cute. And I get why they called it contour mesh, because it's going to slim out your waist and make you look like smaller, like a contour to it, which I really like that name. So yeah, here's the briefs. And with that being said, you're also getting a bra, and here is the bra. So okay, I did not realize that the bra was like super mesh all throughout. So I'm going to figure out how I'm going to wear this on the try on haul. But yeah, it's like mesh and really contour. It's super cute. I'm pretty sure I should be good though, because when the model has it on, you don't see anything regardless of the meshness on the sides. But I'll figure it out. I did get this in a size small and it just says lounge all over it. Super cute. And then the next piece that I have to share with you are these black high-waisted shorts, and they are $45 US. So yeah, I'm just on the website with you guys so I can let you know the price and the name of everything so you can easily shop. The size I got is a size small again, and these right here, so cute. Absolutely perfect for summertime. It just says lounge all over it. Like I would even wear these shorts with one of the bras as like crop bra, you know what I'm saying, style. Like I think it would look cute even just to wear. Like what? If it was really that hot. But no, these are really cute to wear indoors or outdoors. Super versatile, and you can definitely style this with some other pieces from Lounge on the website. So yeah, check out those links below to shop everything. These also do have pockets, and yeah, Lounge is super cute, super cute. You guys have to have at least something, okay? At least something. So yeah, check out those links below. Let me know in the comments which piece was your favorite and which one you're most likely to wear and buy. I'm really excited to hear what you guys think is the best and what you would really like to wear. I'm just curious, so let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate everybody who's been watching me. Be sure to subscribe for more try on hauls in the future. It has been a pleasure sharing with you all of these clothes, and I want to thank Lounge again for sending me everything to share with you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, you guys. Mwah.